Hello, welcome to another lesson. Last time we studied a bit with Luis and Pedro, but today we return to Steban and the Smith family. Michael and Kate are showing Steban some old photos, and while they're doing that, we will review the use of the past simple and some question words. Let's watch.
Oh, look here, Michael. You in your little bunny costume. How adorable.
When was that? How old were you?
I'm not sure. I think I was 6 or 7. I do remember this was for a school play. All the first graders we were putting on a play, a production of the Nativity story.